Turns out, when you live in Wyoming, our biggest bumper crop is rocks. We harvest them year round, and picking them out of the dirt one at a time gets old really fast. So today, in the Whitney Plaza Garage, we're building something to solve that problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin McCurry, and welcome to Whitney Plaza Garage, where Gums and Gumption builds dreams. Today I'm building a rock separator. The idea is simple. Dump the dirt and rocks on, let the dirt fall through, and the rocks slide off. Should work. I think it'll work. Gosh, I sure hope it works. In Wyoming, we would say they are sure proud of those commercial separators. That means really expensive. So I was using what I had in the barn to build this contraption. My cost was welding wire, some rebar, and a little paint, about $420. Not counting my time, of course. The build starts with a simple steel frame. To be honest, the frame started life as a leftover king-size bed frame. FYI, they're easy to weld, but nearly impossible to drill, and absolutely strong enough for this project. Once the frame was built, I added 3/8 rebar horizontally and vertically, leaving about a 3-inch hole. This is actually what separates the dirt from the rock. Lots of welding on this project. Not pretty welding, more like dentist ranch welding, but strong welding. Yes, surely strong welding. And for something like this, strong is what matters. With the frame welded and the mesh installed, the separator is ready for a test. Time to see if this thing actually works. Load it up with dirt and rock and let gravity do the work. The dirt falls through and the rocks stay behind. Simple idea, but sometimes simple tools are the ones that save the most work. And that's what this garage is all about. Building projects that make life easier. Anything worth doing is worth doing well, whether it's teeth, trucks, tractors, or tools. Ah well, it's time to moose on. Thanks for watching Whitney Plaza Garage, Gums and Gumption.